Hello and welcome to another video. This is Muhammad Bakri from Community of Babel. Today we are going to discuss the subject pronouns in modern standard Arabic. First of all, we have three groups of subject pronouns. The first group is the singular, okay, we are talking about one person, and the second group is dual. Dual doesn't exist in English, but dual is two persons. And the plural of course, more than two persons. And here in the first group, it's the singular, and the first one is ana. Ana means I, ana, okay. And he, the second one is he, which is huwa, okay, he. And the third one is she, hiya. And if you're talking to someone, you want to say you. If he is a guy, if he's a man, okay, anta. So anta means you if you're talking to a guy, if you're talking to a man. But if you're talking to a girl, it will be anti. It's written the same, but here the short vowel, here there is fatha, and here there is kasra under the ta. So it will be anti. So you're addressing a girl or a woman. Anti means you. Okay. The second group is the dual group. We have here only two are different. Two subject pronouns. The first one is antuma. So you're talking to two persons. Okay, and it's pronounced antuma. Okay, here if you're talking to two persons, it doesn't matter if these two persons are guys or girls, it doesn't matter. Here the second one is huma, they, but you're talking about two persons, so huma, okay, it's pronounced huma. Okay, the third one is nahnu, but nahnu actually it's used for the plural and for the two persons. So if you want to say we, okay, we, it will be nahnu. So take care, please, of the ha sound. Nahnu, it means we, and it works for the plural and the dual. The last group is the plural group. Okay, the plural, we will start with antum. It means you. If you're talking to it's plural for masculine. If you're talking to a group of guys or even a group of girls with one guy. Okay, if there is a guy in the group, it will be antum. Okay, you. Antunna is you, plural for feminine. It's plural if you're talking to a group of women. All of them are women and girls, so it will be antunna. Okay. The next one is nahnu. Okay, we have already discussed this, and it's we for the plural. It doesn't have any other forms. Okay, and the next one is hum. Hum means they. Okay, it's a plural but masculine. If you're talking about a group of guys, okay, they did something. Okay, so hum. Okay, but if all the group are girls, so it will be hunna. Okay, hunna means they, but all of the group must be girls and women. Okay, so hunna. So we have already finished all the subject pronouns. I know they are a little bit tricky, but by the way, not all of them are used in the dialects. Especially the dual, and like antunna and hunna are not used in most of the dialects, but these are all the subject pronouns in modern standard Arabic, and we are going to discuss them in other videos in some other dialects. So keep watching us, and thank you for watching.